Hello everybody and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer, and I'm Jenny the Crazy Country Couponer, and we're going to talk about some deals we've already talked about, but we're going to make them even better, and you want to know. So come on in, and on your way in, like the video and share with your friends. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, look below and hit that red subscription button and that notification bell, and make sure all your notifications are turned on. And that way you won't miss any of our deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information that I give you every day. And, well, just hanging out with some of the best folks ever. Alright, first off, guys, I want to say I am loving the answers that you guys are giving me on our last video for our gift card giveaway. I didn't realize there were so many things that I didn't think we could have enough of. But you're right. You're absolutely right. And if you want to know what I'm talking about, well, we're giving away, in honor of Christmas and December the 1st, we are giving away a free Dollar General gift card to help you with your holiday shopping. And how we're doing that and how we're getting to know each other a little bit better is in the comment section of the last video, this one right here. So after you get done with this, if you haven't done it yet, go back and check that one out and make a comment. Is of all the videos that you've watched, what are some of the things that I don't think that you can have enough of? Okay, you can never have enough of. So I didn't quite realize there were so many of those things, but you're definitely right, guys. And like I said, I am loving the answers. So please, 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 if you've not made those comments, go back and check it out. Even if you just go back and make a comment. Alright, guys. Now, let's talk about what we got going on here. We got this sale, the 2 for $3 on the cake mixes, the 2 for $3.50 on the icings, and the 3 for $3 on the cookies. Well, what do we got? Well, we got a coupon for $1 off of 3 for these items. And then we have a new earn off of these items. So, I did a scenario using this sale and the earns and our Nabisco Honey Made Graham Cracker Glitch from the last video also. We're going to do some of the Colgate and the Suavitel. So, let's have a look at our first deal. Now, we do have an absolutely free scenario as well, guys. I almost forgot. Now, well, yeah, an absolutely free scenario. Matter of fact, it's a money maker. Now, as I said, first off, you're going to pick up 4 of these cake mixes, okay? So 4 cake mixes, whatever your choice is. And then you're going to pick up 3 of these muffin mixes, 3 for $3. And then we're going to pick up 2 of the Honey Made Nabisco Graham Crackers for $8. And then we're going to pick up 2 of the Colgate Total toothpaste for $6.50. And 1 of the Suavitel dryer sheets for $1.95. Now, right there, you're at $25.45. You're really close to that mark. So, pick you up maybe a Jell-O or something of that nature. Pick you up something super cheap to bring that up to $26. Even if it's just a little piece of candy or something. Or an Oral-B toothbrush if you've not used those yet. Or if you didn't have those in a scenario anywhere. Well, you could use any of those overage coupons that we've got that are glitching on any of these scenarios and make them cheaper. Okay, remember, only in an older operating system store will you get overage. In the newer operating system store, you'll just get free products. So if you want to use them for fillers, then they work well for fillers. Okay. Now, this transaction, as I said, is going to be $25.45. You got $14 in coupons coming off. That leaves you an out-of-pocket of $11.45 walking out of the store for 12 items, guys. That's a winner chicken dinner right there But it gets even better because you're going to get $3 in earns back. And that's going to make it $8.45 out of pocket for 12 items. Again, like I said, winner, winner. Chicken dinner with dessert. Next up, let's talk about making some of those Christmas baskets. We're going to do the Old Spice and a Shave Club. Alright, now also on that Betty Crocker deal, I guess you could do 2 cake mixes and 2 frostings because you're still going to save your $1 off of 3. Now on your Old Spice deal, we've got 2 high-end coupons for $5. And one of them is for body wash, so we're going to pick up 2 of the $5.75 body washes for $11.50. And then we're going to pick up 2 of the deodorant because the other one's for deodorant, and that's going to be $11.10. And we're going to be getting $10 off of both of those. And then we're going to pick up the Shave Club handle and 2 cartridges, which is $10.50. And we've got a $4.50 coupon on that as well. Now this is your Dollar Shave Club, and it's $10.50. You have that $4.50 coupon. We also have a earn, okay, for $5. Now, if you're going to clip both of these, because if it glitches, this is going to be all but free product. So right now you're at $33.11. And you've got $19.50 in coupons coming off. That leaves you out of pocket of $13.60 for these 5 items. And that's another winner deal right there. You can make up your Old Spice baskets for the guys in your life. And it costs you $13.60. There's 2 and 2, so you could almost make 2 baskets. So super cheap, guys, super cheap. Now let's talk about our absolutely free deal. Alright, this is a recap of these earn deals, okay? This one I showed you earlier on in the week. Matter of fact, it was, I think, our first daily deal. Because you're going to only pay $3.50 for 5 of these good and tasty dog treats. And you're going to, they are $2.75. They're regularly almost $5, so you're already getting a good deal. And then you're going to pick up 5 of them for $13.50. And you're going to get back $10 in earns, okay? To spend on anything you want. And then we're going to do another one of these. Because the Oreo frozen dessert earns reset. And if you missed it last time, let's tell you about it again. We have the $2 earns. They're good for up to 5 times. And we have them attaching to the $2.60 Oreo frozen dessert. Now, these are also on sale. They are on sale for 2 for $4. Now, what's going to happen is when you ring these up, they are not going to ring up the sale price. They're going to ring up regular price. So, before you proceed on to the end of your deal, you're going to ask your cashier to please fix the sale price for you. Okay? Because it shouldn't be but $8. You're going to pick up 4 of them. Which, when you get your earns back, would be absolutely free, guys. Now, on top of that, we're going to use some of those other glitching coupons, the ones with the overage. And keep in mind, only if you're in an older operating system store will this be a money maker. Other than that, it's just going to be totally free. So you're going to pick up the 2 Pro Health Crest toothpaste for $2. You got a $3 coupon. The Oral-B toothbrush for $1. You got a $2 coupon. The Crest Travel mouthwash for $1. You have a $2 coupon. And then you're going to pick up the Febreze holiday scent for $3.25. You have a $2 coupon. That's $28.75. You got $14 in coupons coming off. That leaves you an out of pocket of $14.75. But you're going to get back, guys, $18 in earns. You're going to get back $10 for the good and tasty dog treats, and you're going to get back $8 for 4 of those Oreo desserts. Now you can add one more to that, and it will be $10.60 because you're going to pay $2.60 for the last one. And if you use them, that's your better deal because you'll only be paying 60 cents for all of those. So, guys, these are your, well, last minute deals. Hopefully you can get you something from those. And hopefully we will get you a early activation deal. With any luck, Coke products will be on sale again this week. So I will see you again. Blessings.